Hey guys, how's it going? How to reset iPhone settings without losing data on iOS 18.1.1. So first of all, go ahead and open up the settings. Go to the general, right? Scroll a little bit down to transfer or reset iPhone. Okay. Choose the reset option, then select reset all settings and confirm the reset. Enter the passcode, right? If prompted, and confirm the action, right? So and this process resets your settings, e.g. Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and preferences like wallpaper and accessibility options without deleting personal data such as photos, apps, and files. It's useful for troubleshooting issues without performing a full factory reset. Ensure your data is backed up via iCloud or iTunes as a precaution. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.